Hey guys, follow-up video as promised. Now if you're watching this video, there's another one you need to watch first. It's called Head Cam with an exclamation mark, then a dash, listen to this. So head cam, listen to this, then I'll do another video later so you can listen again. This is the another video later. We're going to get in the vehicle and go for a drive, and this is to demonstrate, again, 2013 Hilux. Yep, the same one, July 13, same one as you saw before. 149 odd thousand Ks, had full DLC injectors in it, obviously some wear there. The job has been done, the usual cleanup, done a big front engine job as well. That's all done, all the work's done, and we're about to go on the final road test, the third of all the road tests. We do an initial, then we do some checks, then we do a bigger road test because it's a big job that deserves a big road test, and this is the final road test. I'm going to do a video. We're going to get the head cam out again just to show you how sloppy that is, and then we're going to go back to the windscreen job. And let me know in the comments, what do you prefer, the head cam, even though it's sloppy because you can see more or less, or do you prefer the windscreen mount because it's nice and still and it's probably closer to the noise to hear anyway. So let's jump in the vehicle and go and have a listen to it to compare the pair. Okay, so I don't know if you notice the difference, but you've got a slight rattle there, not as bad, but it stays there. It doesn't just go on and off like a switch. Stop again, because we can. $2,000, 22. 2.5. You get, I don't know if you've got to watch the other video, guys. Trying to sort of sit back and get the camera on view, because of course I can't touch it, can I, while you're driving? And I'm trying to show you what I can see, and that is the tacho. We can stop here again. So that went straight through the 1750, that's $2,000, 22. So there's a light rattle there, a normal rattle. I'm just going to pull over and there's a car behind me, let them go. Another one coming. Doesn't always work out, you just need to be patient. And we both need to be patient. Please sit tight. Plan B, let's go to plan B. How's that? So we got that one there, that could be better. One more, right? $2,000. So you notice this time no changes. I don't think these clowns know where they're going either. Anyway, I'll change the camera over to there and then we'll see what happens, eh? 1500, 1750, 2,000, 2250. 2.5. So tell me in the comments whether you like head cam better or this better. You can see it's the same car. I suppose I'll just show you the Ks that it's done at the end of the video, so you know it's the same car. You can see the extensive road testing we do once a job's complete. Part of signing it off, quality assurance number 1. 1500, 1750. $2,000. So definitely a complete, it's chalk and cheese. It is, I can tell you from my experience, it's very nice and quiet, acceptable to drive for what a Hilux is. Before, as I said, I wouldn't have said it was bad, and some of them do that, but it all depends how bad it is. Let's just stop, go again. 1500, 1750, $2,000. Camera's probably in a better position there anyway to capture the noise. Let's go and do another lap. Here we go from the original launch pad. 1500, 1750, $2,000. Drops again into third. You see before when it did the gear change into third, it dropped under, it got the rattle back, and as soon as it went over it it came, you know, it was just on and off like a switch. Certainly not doing that. And the rattle that's there is much more quieter and what I would consider more normal. So this has come up really well. Do a few more laps and I'll shut up again, so that you can just listen and try and compare. Notice what if the rattle you hear from this vehicle now is the 100% normal rattle. It doesn't mean yours is going to be this quiet. It could be a little bit noisier. It could be a bit quieter. They all vary. I'll just stop here. See what I mean? It's just a consistent, nice, quiet vehicle. 1500, 1750, $2,000, fairly light acceleration, 45 k's, 2250. So there is, you can probably still hear that rattle. There's a slight rattle there. That's a Hilux for you. It is a commercial vehicle. It hasn't got quite as much insulation hiding the sound. This is what the Prados do. The Prados always usually come up quieter. Usually, some Prados can make a bit of noise, some Hiluxes can be really quiet. $1,750, $1850, $19, $2,000. Still got the, before it was like a absolute switch. It was rattle, quiet. Now it's got a very light rattle and it's consistent through the range. You may hear it changing a little bit, but it's what I'd call consistent. Let's stop again. $2,000. So you can get, it's popping above and below that 1900. No noise change whatsoever. I'm much happy with how it is now. And it doesn't matter if I back off or accelerate, it stays fairly consistent. What a day, eh? Have a look at that sky, it's just beautiful. Huh? It is very difficult to pick noises in videos. At the moment I've got the window up. I notice a lot of people like to make videos and show us their injector rattle or their noises, and is this normal? It's just really hard to judge it, really, to be quite honest. You know, you need to have the vehicle and do, you know, road testing like this to see exactly what's going on. So this time what we'll do, wait till these cars pass, and we'll do it with the window down. We'll drive anyway, there's no point waiting for them. So now all I can hear is the noisy tyres. They are a set of STZs that are quite old. I reckon they're probably a good 7 or 8 years old, 100,000 Ks, so you can imagine. If you hung around to the end, you're lucky, because this is where I've said it before in videos, but this is where it's important to hang around. Do you check the rattle with the window up or down? Because with it up, you notice we're picking every last bit of rattle. And see, with the window down, you'd think you'd get more noise, but actually, because you've got general noise, exhaust noise, engine noise, tyre noise, there's like no rattle and it sounds really quiet. So I can make videos to make it look bad, or I can make videos to make it look good. But I can tell you from my experience that this is very good. Before it was okay. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't good. Now it's very good. So it's gone straight past good to very good. That's correct. one more takeoff so you can have a listen to it, and I reckon that's a video. And this is how you learn, guys. You just need to listen, concentrate. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. You know the deal. Give us a thumbs up if you got something out of that. And please remember, yeah, subscribe, turn the bell. And thanks for watching. Hopefully that's been helpful. See ya.